Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about Chainlink targets updates with my customer request. What's going on now? So, guys, I believe in a new all-time high for Link, but from current prices, it can be around 256% gains, or if we'll see some crazy run, it's will be 432% gains, 114, because the main accumulation zone was here. We traded May 2022 till October 2023. So it was a great accumulation zone. Maybe if we count just an average from that bottom, it can be like $76 for a Link, 1,300% gains. Maybe higher. We can't know, guys. We can't know. Locally and globally, you remember this hypothetical trend line? So yes, we bounce it. 1, 2, 3 touches. We leave the actual lows. That time, I don't like it because we didn't test the buy line on the weekly. Weekly time frame buy line now it's $11. I don't think so. We will drop that low. One take. Does it look like a double bottom on the weekly time frame? Yes. We will play this double bottom. Yes. Here. So this double bottom already performed. Nice one. What next? So, crazy dump. If we will see the crazy dump on Link, it's once again, it's $15. Honestly, because of seasonality, because Fed start cut rates, it doesn't mean they will start print the money now, but we got like 300 billion, I guess, in stable coins now. So I think the Tether and USDC printed stablecoins not for just stablecoins. So anyway, some big players accumulate that stablecoins and will use them. So I think we'll go higher in October, November. How high? I already showed you. But it's hard to say about the timing, guys. Don't try to predict the time when. So because it's a big problem for new users, they try to predict the time. We can't know, guys. Who could predict? So we spend like around a year, just in the range. Maybe we will spend another year, for example, this range. We can't know, guys. We can't know. Maybe this range will be just wider. We can't know, unfortunately. That's why, guys, I believe, of course, in October, November, green one. The buy line on a daily now it's 1356. Also, I don't think so we'll drop that low because double bottom already playing out. So we sweep the liquidity, but not break the structure, because to break the structure we need to break the $31. And in this case, we can talk about a uptrend structure. Now it's still like high, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low. This is still lower high. So we need to break this high, something like this structure to 0.5 lower by fib to talk about an uptrend structure. Also, I don't like this order flow and also once again the hypothetical trend line. The Link I already explained it. The Link one of not so many tokens. I don't know why. Maybe because of market makers. It's work so accurate. So react amazing with not crazy weeks or so. If even we react with the week here, almost all the time the fulfill here. The under is 1975, 1850, 1690. Should we drop to these daily gaps? I don't think so. We almost closed the 50% of, we almost closed the full fill of a weekly gap. If we check the monthly, this is what I told you here. Magic. It's all the time, here, full fill of monthly. Under is nothing. This one is closed the same way. And take a look how the Link reacted at 18 level by fib. So in the future, yes, maybe we'll dump it once again to $8 to sweep this actual lows. But globally, I think the best case, if in October, if it's not the green one, crazy green candles, it's a sideline, and after that, the November pumps. But anyway, If we look on the monthly time frame, it looks like we should go to 44.87, 47.68. But guys, once again, I remind you that from now it can be the potential like 117. If we compare, for example, it's not I'm not shilling you, you know, the token, but if we talk about gains, take a look at the AVAX. So the charts. So technically, the Avalanche get no more potential than the Link. I guess it's just my humble opinion, of course, guys. Because here to break the structure, Avax should pump to 65. It's 100% from now, and Link already way higher. So it's just my humble opinion, guys. So you can have your own. And AVAX performed pretty good one. So this is the next step. This is the next step because anyway, we will break this high, break this structure, $31 after that, this liquidity pool, and going higher. I'm more than sure we will see the all-time high. Just we need to break the $31, $38. And after that, I don't think so. We will just stop it here and this is going to be the end of cycle. No, I think yes. I think the Link will be one of maybe not so many tokens which will hit the all-time high. So take profit. I showed you 12 time frame, guys. By the way, what we can see here, if today is Wednesday, if the BTC will hold the line, I explained it to you in previous videos, 110, 112K level, we can go higher, like in the sideline, you know, and after that go higher in October, November, till 10 October, I think. We'll see some upside move on alts. Also, the main problem with the altcoins can be the BTC dominance. If the Bitcoin will go to new high in October, November, BTC dominance just can go to 60, 61% again to correction. And only after that, we will see the center rally for alts. So this is a bad case scenario. Guys, also, if we count the FIB here, take a look where the price stopped it. Almost at 61. Almost at 61. So now we hold the line at 0.5. Yes, we can delete this one and delete this one. So if we already formed the correction ended, we can go straight forward to 30 and 31.23. 27 level. 31.23. It will be the break of structure uptrend move on the weekly. So this is it. If not, here, this is a zone maybe we're logical to buy back. It's 18.10, 17.18. So this is it. Take a look, guys, now with ADZ direction market mood. It's good. No, let's go to the daily. Yes, it's good. We're in the under middle line, so basically it's accumulation. It's not the hype, it's optimism. A direction, no signal to buy. Market mood on daily, it's optimism. On the weekly, it's also like a optimism trail zone. Money power, no signals to sell, good one. Bullish signals was here in June. Daily, we at the bottom, it's good one. Last time, guys, take a look. When we traded at the bottom, it was here, June 22 June 2025, this one, and here September 6th. So every single time when we touch the bottom and see the money inflow on the daily, we bounce. How high? Hard to say. Weekly, no money inflow yet. Monthly, no money inflow, but no money outflow. This was a time of fixation, some of fixation. Now nothing. 12 time frame, yes, here we can see the some money inflow. Here September 6th. Once again, 16%, a little bit more, 17% pump. It was a dump and small pullback. That's why, guys, I wish to see the drop. Why? Because I missed this entry, you know, and of course at 18 or 17, I will be more than happy to open position. Even better if it will drop to zero level again to 15, but I don't think so. It will drop. Last indicator, guys, trade on. Like conclusion, guys. I think we go higher. Yes, I think we'll go higher. But if you want to trade now, here, This is your stop loss. 7. With a second double X, second leverage, it's a 14% stop loss. That's why if I miss the entry, I just skip this token. Yes, it should be in time. Here was a great entry, this one. And the stop loss could be a small one, like 4%. So imagine 14 against 8. Now you could be in profit like here for 8%. It's not a big deal, right? But at least it was a logical entry. So 8% stop loss, and now 8% with double X leverage. And now like 8% profit with the leverages. If you trade with the 10x, of course it's 40%. Logical to fix some part of profit. And I don't like this gap on the 12 time frame. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what I don't like. But of course, the monthly time frame more important. 1 hour time frame. If we just zoom in and take a look, the local ones. So would be good, guys, to see the upside move at least to 23.97, and after that, I don't know, on the weekends, we can see that next step for a link. That's why now on 1 hour time frame, of course, it's just a scalp here. It's hard to say. Now we see some 1, 2, 3 signals recommendation close position. To open short also, guys, no makes sense, because here anyway we will go to this area like 22.91, 22.50. Maybe after that at this we can try to open short, but stop loss like here 5%, 10% with the second leverage for what? For potential 40% with second leverage. Maybe makes sense, but guys, it's a 1 hour time frame. It's 1 hour time frame. So any news, any tweet can affect the candles on the link. That's why, guys, all eyes now how the BTC will close the September. Globally, I'm bullish on link. To buy now or not, honestly, if I, for example, choose between the link and AVAX, I choose the AVAX and I hold AVAX. I already explained it in video about AVAX when I will withdraw my initial deposit. So now for long run, I think yes. If you get a plan, accumulate link, you can accumulate now, for example, 21.88. If we'll see the correction to 15, or for example, something bad happen to 12, you buy again, and your entry will be like 18 or $17. After that, pump 100%, 34, 35, you withdraw initial deposit, and we go higher. If not drop, you just move from this current one. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like to trade with my customer, because I will show in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.